Hello, beautiful mamas. I am so excited to have you here. We are using our power hour to speed clean the kitchen, dining room, living room, and bathroom. I'm sharing my 4 tips to speed clean and using them to get my downstairs clean. Because, as my seasoned viewers know, I'm about to take on a huge office project and I need to save time and energy. So, without further ado, let's get into this speed cleaning with me. So, before we even begin, I want to lay down sort of the ground rules when it comes to speed cleaning. Remember, the goal is to use our power hour to make the biggest impact. But to do that, one, we are not going to clean what's not dirty. Let me say that again for my ladies in the back. We are not going to clean what ain't dirty. Two, we're going to go into each room of our home with a game plan. Because as moms, we tend to go down a rabbit hole, especially when it comes to cleaning. We are going in with a game plan and we're going to stick with it. And this is how we're going to set up this game plan. It's really simple. You can use it for any room in the house. We're going to clear and clean the surfaces. I'm talking about the countertops and the tables and those sort of things. We're going to put away miscellaneous things. We're going to clean the floor and take out the trash. That's it. My 3rd tip, we're going to be ready for this power hour clean with all the tools that we need. For me, I love using this cleaning caddy that I got from Walmart. And in it, I have my sponges, cloths, cleaners like Windex Lysol wipes, and an all-purpose cleaner. I have a squeegee and a dusting wand. Now for my tools, I have a vacuum, mop, or you can use a Swiffer if you have one, broom and dustpan, and I have towel downstairs. So I'm using this push broom mop to make cleanup so much easier. Tip 4, we're going to move from area to area and work top to bottom so we don't miss anything. Once you have everything ready, you're going to set that timer for an hour and we're going to get to work. We're starting with the kitchen and I'm actually going to move from zone to zone in my kitchen, starting with these dirty dishes over here. Now, as you notice, I am not washing them right away. No, because honestly, I don't mind a couple dirty dishes in the sink. And besides, you only get one wash out of me. So we're going to just put these in the sink and wait till later to get them done. Now that this part of the countertop is clear, I'm going to clean it and then use this opportunity to get rid of some rags that are dirty and need to be put in the dirty clothes. But as you can tell, I actually use a bag to put all my dirty rags and clothes that all need to go upstairs. But I bring them all at once. So I'm going to put them in the bag. You're going to see me whip it out throughout this video. Put them in the bag and we're going to take them upstairs later. Moving on to these clean dishes. I'm going to put them away to clear this countertop and then wipe it clean. Now, if you notice, my cabinets are fairly organized. And that is because during the summer, I did a declutter challenge and I really tackled this kitchen. You can check out that video. I'll link it in the description below, but you'll also see a link above and you could just click on that and watch that declutter challenge and watch me get that kitchen straight. But wow, y'all, do y'all see how I just knocked out clearing that counter for like 5 or so minutes and the kitchen is already looking so much better? All right, I'm going to keep moving along and continue clearing off the countertops and then move on to the island bar. But I just wanted to take a second and just show you guys, wow, it really makes a difference. Now for my kitchen counter, I have a bunch of stuff that needs to be put away. So I'm going to spend like 10 or so minutes and I'm going to finish that, wipe it down, and then move on to the floor. For my floor, I like to use my push broom mop, whatever it's called. I love it because for me, it just makes sweeping so much quicker and easier. So you haven't tried that? Definitely. Also, I know Swiffer has the dry and wet claws. You can use the dry cloth for that. But for me, I have towel all downstairs with a couple carpets here and there. So I needed the width of this push mop broom, and it really helps. And after I'm done sweeping, I'm going to spot clean the really heavy traffic areas of my kitchen so that the floor looks good. Moving along to the dining room. I'm going to take about 10 minutes. I'm going to clear the table, wipe it down, and then I'm actually going to give my chairs a little extra attention because these are the two chairs that the girls eat on, and they tend to spill a lot of food and stuff on them. They are treated, so all I'm using is a little bit of warm water and a tiny bit of dish soap to really wipe off any of the stuff that they have dropped on there. Now, again, we're working from top to bottom. So after the chairs are done, then I'm going to sweep and spot mop the floor before moving on to the next area. Before I hit the living room, I have this little console table in the back of my sofa, and I use it to kind of like separate the areas between the dining room and the sofa because downstairs is all open. So I'm going to spend about 5 minutes to clear this table and wipe it down. Now I'm moving on to the living room, and I have a bunch of toys to pick up off the sofa and the floor. So let's take a moment. For me, several moments to get down there and pick it up. I'm finally done picking up all the toys, and now I'm going to wipe the end table and dust the entertainment stand because it's been a while. So that needs to be dusted. But I also have to wipe my TV. Because I don't know if y'all can see this, but there's a lot of little toddler prints on there. My baby thinks that the TV is just a giant touchscreen tablet. So she keeps showing what she wants to watch by touching the TV. So we need to wipe all those baby prints off the TV. I have towel and carpet for my living room, so I have to sweep and vacuum it. But it's okay because my little helper, she brought her little vacuum and she helped clean with mommy. Don't mind a little, little fall. She's all right. She got right back up and got right back to it. Now, after vacuuming, I did notice there is some gunk on the floor. So I'm going to use my all-purpose cleaner and a cleaning cloth and go ahead and clean that up. Moving right along to the last space, the bathroom. Again, we're using the same game plan and tips to get this done in 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to spray my toilet and put the cleaner in it because I like for that to sit and soak all in and do its thing while I go clean the mirror and the sink. Can I say it is just something about the mirror, y'all. When you have a clean or dirty mirror, I feel like it makes or breaks how clean the bathroom is. So make sure you take that minute or two to clean the mirror. I'm using a Windex and a squeegee so it's nice and quick, and I'm gonna spray and wipe it clean with that squeegee to get that mirror done before I move on to the sink, because I am working my way down from top to bottom, right? After that sink is done, let's give the toilet a quick but thorough, okay? Let me make sure that toilet's clean. We're gonna give it a quick but thorough clean, and then I actually have a little cabinet system that sits on the other side of the wall of the bathroom. So I'm going to give that a dusting before moving on to my floors. Once that's all done, let's give the floor a quick sweep. If you need to spot mop, because we are going to finish off this power hour by taking out the trash. Or in my case, set it by the front door and it miraculously disappears. But anywho, that's all I have for you today. If you like content like this, please do me a huge favor and hit that like button. Share this video with your friends and family and let them know your girl Rhonda is back in action. I would really appreciate it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next Saturday. Bye.